Hey guys, welcome to Have a Cosmic Cookie. Today we are going to see Didymos vs Chicxulub impactor is the asteroid that caused the extinction of dinosaurs 65 million years ago. This video will be a comparison of both the asteroids based on their size and the impact they create on Earth. The Didymos is an asteroid whose diameter is 780 meters, which is about half a mile. It also had a moonlet Dimorphos, of which the name derives from the Greek word meaning having two forms, has a much smaller diameter of 160 meters. Whereas the Chicxulub asteroid is far bigger, of about 10 kilometers in diameter, which is bigger than the Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. The Didymos asteroid is discovered in 1996 by the Spacewatch survey at Kitt Peak National Observatory in Tucson, Arizona, and its small minor planet moon, named Dimorphos, was discovered in 2003. Didymos is classified as a member of the Amor group of asteroids, named after asteroid 1221 Amor. The Chicxulub crater formed by the Chicxulub asteroid was first discovered by Antonio Camargo and Glenn Penfield, geophysicists who had been looking for petroleum in the Yucatan Peninsula during the late 1970s. The two-member study team suggested that it originated from the Oort cloud, a sphere of debris at the edge of the system. The comet was then pushed off course by Jupiter's gravitational field and sent close to the Sun, where it broke into several pieces and starts approaching the Earth. Didymos spins rapidly, rotating about once every 2.26 hours. The moonlet revolves around the larger body about once every 11.9 hours. The main asteroid and its moonlet orbit each other about 0.62 miles apart. If this asteroid approaches the Earth, it will enter the Earth at a speed of about 17 kilometers per second. It would strike the planet's surface at about 30,000 miles per hour. An asteroid that big traveling at that speed has the energy roughly equal to a 1 million megaton bomb. Bardeen and his colleagues modeled what would happen to Earth's climate if a 0.4-mile-wide space rock plowed into one of the planet's landmasses that throw huge amounts of dust into the atmosphere and trigger large-scale fires that lofted lots of soot into the air, provided the strike didn't occur in a desert area with little vegetation, Bardeen said. The atmospheric soot and dust would also reduce the amount of sunlight hitting Earth's surface by up to 70% for the first year or two. Whereas the Chicxulub asteroid was blasted into the Earth by traveling 30 kilometers per second, which is 150 times faster than a jet airliner. If the Didymos asteroid hits our Earth, it will create a crater of more than 15.6 kilometers in diameter. This will destroy an entire city, but this will not be a whole impact to Earth. Whereas the Chicxulub asteroid created a crater of about 100 to 200 kilometers in diameter, which is the largest crater on Earth ever discovered. The impact also generated a seismic pulse roughly equivalent to a magnitude 10 earthquake. That seismic activity caused huge landslides on the seafloor, ripping through any colonies of life. Tsunamis radiated across the Gulf of Mexico, crashing onto nearby coastlines, and the waves were 100 to 300 meters high. After 3 to 4 days, however, most of the debris had reaccreted to Earth. The atmosphere was then choked with dust, soot and sulfate aerosols, causing surface temperature to dip below normal for a period of 5 to 10 years. For the first time, there's a chance we could stop such an object from clobbering the planet. NASA just launched the DART spacecraft early Wednesday morning, November 22, on a mission to test asteroid redirection technology. Next year, it will collide with a space rock called Dimorphos with the aim of changing its orbit. NASA partnered with SpaceX to launch DART, Double Asteroid Redirection Test, aboard a Falcon 9 rocket. Its target is Didymos moonlet Dimorphos, small enough that DART might be able to knock it off course. NASA will analyze the orbit of Dimorphos before and after the impact to see how it was affected. So, guys, don't worry about the asteroids in the future, as our technology will improve to manage asteroids similar to the Chicxulub impactor. You can also share your thoughts and information about these asteroids in the comments section below, and don't forget like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.